good morning to everyone and welcome to Rightway Coaching. Today we are talking about election. What is election? Election is an group discussion of politicians in India. Every 5 years, politician changed and the politician gives promise to us. They give us electricity, water and many things. But they don't give us electricity, water and many things.
Importance of election. Election form the bedrock of the largest democracy in the world, India. In India, elections were not new. It was started taking place before independence and from British rule. In India, people has right to choose their leader who supports them in future. Election provide a way to the people to assert their voice, opinion, and choose the person whose priorities and ideas matches with them.
Democracy in India. Democracy is the form of government in which rulers are elected by the people.
There are many problems that the common people is facing in their life, day-to-day life. There is one more problem that is included, that is price rise. Price rise is one of the greatest problems in India. It is increasing before lockdown and now after lockdown also it has increased very much. You can see if you will go in market, there the items which were in low rate, now they are in the high rate. There is petrol. In every places, petrol rate has increased very much. Before the petrol rate was not that much increases, but now after lockdown it has increases very much. Before lockdown the price rise condition was same. Nothing happens. The government didn't take any steps. After lockdown, price rise condition is same. And in the future, if this will only happen, so the price rise condition will increases very much that the people will also face many problems.
As you all know, unemployment is one of the major problem in India and it is increasing day by day. Every time in election, you all know that politicians always promise the citizens of that area that we will give jobs to every citizen of that area. But after, when they win the election, they disappear from it. After, you can see the poor people can't feed their family because they doesn't have jobs to feed their family. Because of this only, the politician doesn't do anything for the jobs only.
Shortage of water. It is one of the major problems in India and now it is increasing rapidly. In summer season, it is increasing and increasing. We can't stop it because the poor people now they are dying because of the government only, because they are not providing them the water. The water is a natural resource and it is without water we can't live. But the government can't think about it.
So you can see that after election and before election, the problems are same, like electricity problem, water problem and many other problems, they are still same. And then after that the question arises that whether the politicians are making our country or destroying our country.
Now we are going to show you that what politicians do before election. They goes to do events and all and they ask for votes.
Good morning all of you, whoever is present here. And I am taking part in election and I will be your new voter. And now please give me vote because I will sort out your all the problems that you are facing in these 10 years. Electricity problems, water shortage problems, road construction, unemployment problem, all the problems I will sort out. Please give me vote and make me win. In these 10 years, the elected who were not sort out your problems, they did not sort out your problem, but now if you will give me vote, so I will sort out your all problems and please give me vote and make me win. Thank you.
Now friends, we are going to show you what happens after winning an election.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Please have a seat. Good morning, ma'am.
How can I help you?
But we have a big problem today. We are here to solve that problem only.
Ma'am, we are educated. After that also we are now unemployed.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please help us.
Maybe it's all our degrees, but no one is giving us job.
Oh my god, unemployment problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will think about it, okay? Don't worry, okay?
And please help us.
Okay, I will think about it. Yes, how can I help you?
Then we know there is summer season and there is lot of shortage of water in our village.
So could you please help us? You say elections time.
Yes, don't worry, okay? I will help. I will send water tank in your home. Okay, don't worry, okay? We will help you. We will sort out your all problems.
As you saw, friends, politicians every time they promise us they will solve their problem, but no, there is no solution. They never solve our problems.
People are running here and there for jobs, but they are not getting jobs. The problems in our country it's increasing day by day, but no one is here to solve our problems.
The price of eatable items is increasing day by day, but there is nobody to think about those problems.
We want good government
We want good politicians
to make our nation proud.